Hello, everyone. I bring you another exciting tutorial on starting with artificial intelligence and machine learning. For me to do that, let me give us a pointer to what we're about to do. We all are very conversant with Siri, developed by Apple, and how it attains us in our iPhones and the rest. Similar technology was equally implemented by Amazon. They call it Alexa. We remember Google Assistance and also the Cortana by Microsoft. Now, these technologies can serve as our individual personal assistant. And as such, understanding the rudiment that governs those programming is a wonderful thing to explore. And most time when we turn on our autocomplete also in Microsoft Word, it is an entire, as human, we always make mistakes, but these machines are always able to put us in the right standing by cross-checking our spelling errors and the rest. We all have heard of machine translation and the rest. Let us explore fundamentally that the basic behind all this wonderful tech that is now in vogue in our world. So I will be creating an application capable of reading text objects, a written text, and then to confirm that it knew quite well what it has read, we will be showing the response from it depending on the kind of text you have seen. Therefore, looking at this program, camera will be involved, sort of. So while we go through the program, you will understand better. All right. This first thing here creates an object of this sprite. And of course, it can equally be set like that sprite. To me, I think is too big. Let me resize it slightly. If I don't want to resize it with code, I can equally come this place. Look at the size is 100, and I can make it 50. If I don't want to do that with code, and of course, you can see the size has reduced. I really need a good display area for my camera. So let me keep the Toby size very, very small and all that. It will be good to take it out of the way each time this program runs also. So look at this code here. I can use it to make sure that at all time is always positioned at that point whenever the code begins. And for me to do that, I will simply have to go with sprite dot go to XY. So this position it in XY axis. I'm saying minus, let me just go with a round figure. Let me say minus 200 and minus 150. That is not bad. Okay. Minus 140. Is that okay? Let me go with 150. All right. From this point here, the camera I will be using, I need to create the object of that camera. I need to create an object of the camera that will be recognizing those texts. And the extension is actually called text recognition. So I can abbreviate it with this, or if you feel better, you go with complete text recognition. Okay, to serve as body main class, also called extension in PictoBlocks. Recognition. Okay, something like that. Now, watch, there's a slight difference between this and this. The difference is this starts with small letter, while this is big letter, capital letter. That is just the variation. So this is an object that points to this extension or the class. This is actually a class. So that point to that. Now, having done that, I have to turn on my camera. And for me to turn on the camera, I need to go with my the text recognition pointer that I just created. And I'm now giving it a task to do what? To turn on the camera. Now, when this camera is turned on, you notice that it's laterally inverted, which is not what we want. So to avoid the lateral inversion, we want it not to help us inverting things as they are in the real world. So if we don't want that, we just have to issue a command flipped. With this flipped command, when the camera comes up, it will not be laterally inverted. Okay, having done this, I think, let's see if there are other things we'll be adding. Now, this command turn on the camera, and as such, we need to keep getting analysis of whatever picture the camera is showing here. So for me to do that steadily, I need an infinite loop. And to create an infinite loop, we go with Y true. Y true what? Then we now say text recognition dot analyze camera. Okay. Now, what is it analyzing? Handwritten text. Be careful with this. You have to capitalize this word. Is case sensitive, and if every word here is not correct, the analyzing environment will not come up. When we reach there, I will show you what I'm saying. Okay, now that the camera has been analyzed, I'm seeing, let me go first. Okay, now that the camera has been analyzed, I will now say if text recognition dot handwritten results double equal to that is if what you receive is happy, then we can just simply say sprites dot say whatever thing we want. Wow, I am glad that you are happy. Something like that. Okay, let me complete this. Wow, I am glad to know you are happy. Okay. Now I keep seeing an error sign here, and from basic instinct, I know there's something wrong here. I think this is capital letter, even though it looks so small. So you have to be careful. Let me confirm if it is capital letter. It seems so. Wow. So you can see that was actually a capital letter, and that was what was flagging this error. Now, with this alone, if I am to start this application, let me try starting this application and see what happens when happy is shown to it. Okay. Okay, play this application. I have to click run. Okay, so you can see this is, oh, what is this? This is the analyzing page. So let's see what's happened when it sees this letter. So this letter seems flipped here and it may not work. So let me flip it back and see. Wow, so you can see that the sprite is able to see this letter correctly. And that is why it is able to do that. Okay, not only this, let me stop this. All right. You can copy paste this repeatedly depending on, let's see. So we'll go with Elif. Text recognition, hand result, double equal, and equally do it for the sad guy. And we can just simply say sprite, just say cheer up good friend. There will always be better days ahead. So what if he did not see any of this? We'll go with else. Sprite say wouldn't read the text. Okay, let me just stop and test around this one more time. So when I click play, I think my window behind is sort of okay. Let me see. Okay. So this is sad. This one is still flipped, so it will be difficult for it to get the property. Now that is all right. Okay, so you can see, cheer up, good friend. There will always be better days ahead. And when you become happy, it's okay. It just captured it. Let's see. Wow, I am glad to know that you are happy. So AI has come to stay in this world. With this simple basic program, you can see how texts are being picked up by cameras and translated to what the machine can use to do a couple of things. So this is so beautiful and wow. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.